Hello and welcome to another session. This session will talk about online registration. To register courses online, you just make sure that online registration is open. You usually get an email from the registration department. So to register courses online, you need to go to online registration. It's over here. Click on that. You need to read the information here. All right, and then you select the term. For this purpose, it's semester 3. So you can select, that is the semester you can register courses in. You click on this little icon. So you agree that you understand all the information here. Then you click next. After that, it's going to take you to the registration page. So this student, for example, is registered already in 3 courses. You can register. If you haven't registered any courses, you click on this icon here. So this student, for example, can register for Math 10. This is Math 10. If this student want to register this, okay, and you after looking at the time can click on register, the course will be registered. You need to look at the seats available here. So this course or this section has 0 seats. You cannot register in this course. But D2 has 14 seats available. Okay, so it means you can register this course. Okay, if there are students on the waiting list, you cannot register any courses unless the students are registered. Students on the waiting list are registered. Okay, so for this student, for example, can go ahead and click on register, and the student will be registered. So here the student has been registered and no other courses to register. Now, if you would like to drop a course, you can click drop here, choose the course that you would like to drop. In this case, I'm going to drop Math 10 that I've just registered. Why do you want to change it? I want to change it because maybe because of some financial problems. Okay, and then drop the course. Then you click on OK. All right. So with that, you're done with the registration. If you have any courses on the waiting, you click waiting courses here and remove any courses that are on the waiting. Then, if you would like to check the courses that you have registered, you click on registered courses, and here is the courses that you have registered. If you would like to check, if you would like to move to another course, before you drop any course, you need to check the semester schedule. So you check which level. So this is foundation level 1. For example, in this case, we want to check level 3 courses. Okay, I would like to drop, for example, um, listening D3. All right, you're in this section and you would like to move to D2 with Miss Yusra. Does she have seats available? No. Seats available is 0, so it means you cannot move to D2. But if you would like to move to D3 with Mr. Walid, you can move there. So what you need to do, go to drop the course from here, and then go to register and register the course. So we're going to do an example here with Math 10. So this Math 10 D2, register that course. We can go and drop it from here after checking the semester schedule. So let's check the semester schedule. Here I cannot see the math courses. So it looks like the math is not here for some reason, but it should be here. Anyways, this is where you can check the seats available. Then go to drop. If you're sure that you have a seat available, you click on drop here, and this the reason is change the instructor. So drop and click OK. All right. So that is the online registration in a nutshell. Thank you very much. We'll see you in another session.